This entire AI short film was created from scratch inside a single workflow. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own AI short film step by step, from idea to final video. So, without wasting any time, let's begin. Every film begins with a script, because without structure, visuals don't really matter. So inside Filmora, I start with AI copywriting. I describe the idea in a simple sentence. A medieval wizard in a dark tower testing a spell on a mouse, something goes wrong, and the mouse starts speaking. Within seconds, I get a structured short script with clear scene descriptions, actions, and even dialogue. At this point, I'm not just writing something random. I'm building the foundation of a story that will guide everything that comes next. Now I move to visuals, because before anything moves, every scene starts as a frame. Inside Filmora's AI image, using the latest Nano Banana 2 model, I begin creating the world. I generate a dark medieval room with candles and wooden textures. Then I generate a small mouse on a table facing the wizard. And finally, I create the moment where the magic starts building around the mouse. The important part here is consistency. I'm not generating unrelated images. I'm shaping one story, one environment, one mood. To keep the wizard consistent across every shot, I reuse the same core prompt structure and keep key visual details identical, like clothing, lighting, and camera angle. I also use a reference image from the first generation and feed it back into the next prompts, so the character stays visually stable across all scenes. Now, I take it one step further. I go into image to video and start adding motion. Here, I specifically use Seedance 2.0 to animate the scenes. For the first shot, I describe a slow forward camera movement with subtle candle flicker. For the second, I keep it minimal, just a slight movement from the mouse. And for the final moment, I build intensity with light and energy growing around it. After generating these clips, something changes. They're no longer just images. They feel like connected scenes. Now, I bring everything into the timeline. This is where it actually starts to feel like filmmaking. I place the scenes in order and start adjusting the pacing. I slow down the final moment slightly just to let it land better, because timing is what creates impact. Then I move into color. I apply a cinematic style LUT to unify the overall look. After that, I go into HSL and fine-tune specific tones to control how the light and shadows behave. For more control, I use HDR color wheels to adjust different brightness zones in the image. This helps shape depth and contrast across the scenes. At this point, the visuals feel much more cohesive, not just generated, but designed. The final step is adding an amazing, high-quality soundtrack that perfectly matches your video using Filmora's huge and diverse music library. Here, based on the style and mood you want, you can easily find the right music without wasting time searching through different websites. Besides that, you can also go into the AI audio section and generate your own custom music using AI. All you need to do is write a simple prompt describing the mood of the track, the music genre, the instruments, and the type of soundtrack you want for your scene. Then just click Generate. It usually takes a few minutes for the music to be ready. Alright, let's see what this tool created for us. Now step back for a second. We started with a simple idea, and inside one workflow, we turned it into a complete short film. Everything happened in one place. Writing the script, creating visuals, adding motion, editing, color, sound, and final export. No switching between tools, no complex setup, just a clear process from idea to finished video. And that's really the difference here. It's not just about generating clips, it's about building something complete that actually holds together as a story. If you want to try it yourself, I've added the link in the description. But I'm curious, what kind of story would you create? Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.